third grade? Well, as we roll with fractions, I thought tonight would be a good opportunity to discuss and review some vocabulary. Tonight's essential question is, how do we determine what the top and bottom numbers on a fraction bar tell? A fraction is a number that names part of a whole or part of a group. We know this, and we know the numerator is the number, the top number on a fraction bar, and it tells how many parts are being counted. And the denominator is the lower number on the fraction bar, and it tells how many equal parts are in the whole group together. So for example, Lola made a tray of brownies for the bake sale. She made 10 brownies in all. Her big brother Austin ate one of the brownies. What fraction of brownies did he eat? So if you look at this picture down here, you see that we have 10, where Lola made 10 brownies, right? So you automatically know that's your denominator. How many brownies did she make? 10. That's the whole. And up here, that's exactly what it says for the denominator. Now, this question asks you, what fraction of the brownies did he eat? Well, he only ate one piece, right? So there's your numerator, excuse me. He ate 1 out of 10. So that's your fraction that Austin ate. Let's look at a couple more. So the definition for a unit fraction, it names one equal part of a whole. The numerator would be the 1. So the fraction of brownies that Austin ate was 1 out of 10. So this means that 1/10 is a unit fraction. So basically, anytime the numerator is 1, it's called a unit fraction. That's all you need to know. Let's look at some examples here. Play around. What is the unit fraction for each shape shown? You need to determine the denominator by finding how many equal parts in all, then locate the numerator by counting the shaded parts of the whole. So I'm going to do this with you here. On this first shape, we have how many parts in the whole? 1, 2, 3. So you know your denominator is 3. Go ahead, write it so you don't get confused. Now it's saying how many parts are shaded. So if I just shaded in this middle part, you would say, how many parts are shaded? 1 part is shaded. What is the fraction of shaded parts on this bar graph here? 1/3, because it's been split into thirds, and 1 part is shaded. Cool. Moving on. On our square, we haven't separated that into parts yet. So let's separate that. And if I said to you, okay, on the square, how many parts are to the square? How many parts are there? There are 2 parts to the square. Yes? Yes. So, if I shaded in one of the parts, and it said to you, how many parts are shaded in? You would say 1, or 1/2, right? 1/2 of that square is shaded in. We can do the same thing here with our triangle. Actually, let's get fancy here. Let's make this triangle like this. How many parts are here? Look how fancy that is. How many parts in this triangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we've got a denominator of 6. But if I shade one in, how many parts are shaded in third grade? 1 part. 1/6. And what these fractions all have in common is that they're unit fractions. It just means 1 unit of the whole has been shaded in. Easy peasy. Moving on. Exit ticket. Develop a word problem in which the reader is asked to determine what unit fraction you are asking for. Remember, the numerator has to be a 1. And it's fairly simple now. So don't be afraid to take a risk and challenge yourself. Make the word problem stand